say you be my sister, but you won't collect my lover. You be deceiver. Olo fofo hati roba. Now I know they fuck with you anymore. I no get time for you anymore. You know I'm not savage, I dey pay my bills. You know go see my name for the SKO. I saw Lusha down be your hobby. Now so you come take for straight their hobby. So see, fuck you. Basically I gotta say fuck you to a lot of niggas. Also fuck you to a lot of hugs.
This shit might get me in trouble, but
Grandma African bad girl, turning 45, still think that you a bad girl.
From a show, I can't block your blessings. We all know you selling pussy and it's so depressing. Whoa, and it's so depressing. Oh, you so fucking messy. Fuck you all my haters. I know I'm the baddest. Your baby copying my diet, my body well balanced. Fuck you if you ever took my love for granted. You're gonna reap the seeds that you planted. Fuck you. Basically, I gotta say fuck you to a lot of niggas. Also fuck you to a lot of hugs. This shit might get me in trouble, but
fuck you. Grandma African bad girl, turning 45, still think that you a bad girl.
From a show, I can't block your blessings. We all know you selling pussy and it's so depressing. Whoa, and it's so depressing. Oh, you so fucking messy. Fuck you all my haters. I know I'm the baddest. Your baby copying my diet, my body well balanced. Fuck you if you ever took my love for granted. Grandma African bad girl, turning 45, still think that you a bad.
Hello guys, you know how I love to deliver to you guys. So the heated up argument between Seyi Shay and Tiwasavage has been making rounds on social media, and a lot of people don't know the reason for this. That is why I have brought you guys this video of Seyi Shay and Kimani dissing Tiwa over God knows why. In the Fuck You challenge, in the song Seyi Shay did, she had accused Tiwa of trying to steal her boyfriend, her nigga. She had also accused Tiwa of being a liar, a deceiver, and all of that. She also called Tiwa an olosho. Y'all know how that sounds in this generation. Actually, Seyi Shay had said a whole lot, and it's enough to piss anyone off. Now let's go over to Kimani. Kimani called her an old lady at 45. Y'all see what's up. But you guys know Tiwasavage right now. She's looking so pink even at 45. It's not easy to be 45, but y'all know how this old thing goes. And seems Tiwa still had it in mind since that time till now, and she and Seyi Shay kind of met themselves in a salon and decided that that's when they're going to iron this shit out.
Listen, don't come to me and think you can say hi with the dirty and disgusting spirit that you have. The dirty, disgusting spirit that you have. You think I've forgotten how many years ago what you guys did, you and Victoria Kimani? You think I've forgotten? You think I can forget?
Tiwa, what are the things that you have done? Like what? You want me to open out everything here? I'm not like you. I'm not going to do that.
Open it.
I'm not going to do that.
Open it.
I'm not going to do that.
Open it.
I'm not petty.
I'm petty. Open it. Listen, my son, my child, my son, Timobi. If I've ever done or said anything about you or Victoria Kimani, bitch, I'm made. I have money. I have nothing to take from you. I'm not going to be. If I've ever done or said anything about you or Victoria Kimani, bitch, I'm made. I have money. I have nothing to take from you. I'm not going to be high for a show and they'll say I should, because I'm getting.
You think that's all it is, Tiwa? If you want to start
Anything
acting
else?
out,
I've never
and
stepped
acting
with
like
your
an
man.
abaya right now.
I've
Carry
never
on.
slept with your
I'm
man.
listening.
I've
Go
never
on.
taken a job
Go
from
on.
you.
The only
I've
reason
never
why I
gone on
greeted you
radio
is to
I've
try
never
and
gone
squash all the shit
You
that's
don't
been
try and
going on
squash shit
and to
by
say
saying
sorry.
hi. You try and squash shit by calling me in the corner and talking about shit.
Yeah.
If
Wait,
I have an
do
issue
I
with
not
you,
have weight
if I
there?
have an issue with you,
We
I
don't
don't just
have
say
weight
hi
there.
as if nothing.
don't have
Nah,
weight
my
there.
nigga,
Sometimes
you did a whole song. You and that bitch did a whole song. You went on interviews. You said shit. I didn't say
Me? I went on
nothing.
interviews and
I
said
didn't say
shit.
nothing.
Tiwa,
Even
let me
before,
not open
if
your
you don't,
yash
if you
here,
don't open
please.
me,
No, I'm not petty like you.
open me.
I'm not petty like
Your
you.
yash is the dirtiest in this industry. You fucking horse slut. No, open me. Open me. Open me. Open me. Because see what you was liking, you will regret. Because sink or not, everybody knows I work hard for my shit.
Okay,
you
we don't.
look at you. You look half dead.
Really? You are half
You
dead,
look
bitch.
half dead. Look at
You
your
are half
skin.
dead.
You know what? For clear skin, you need to mind your business. That's what will clear up your fucking ugly skin. Look at you, bitch.
And I try to bring this video to you guys for you guys to know the antecedents of the whole issue. You know, Seyi Shay had said a lot of things in that song, you know, dissing Tiwa, calling Tiwa names, the same as Victoria Kimani. So it's enough for someone to actually keep to heart. Nobody, I mean, I don't know the antecedent of whatever made them sing that song or diss her that way, but it's enough reason for someone to actually be all mad. And that's gonna be it about this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe. Please don't forget to drop a comment already. Please don't forget to keep coming back to watch my videos, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Don't also forget to turn on the post notifications. I love you guys. Bye.
Sweet talk, I'm